Looking for a fixer-upper in the Heath School District and close to the Lake Ray Hubbard? This one-story home is one of 3 that is part of an estate. No homeowners association. No seller disclosure knowledge of the property. Used as a long-term rental previously. Being sold as is. A few streets over from the public boat ramp and Terry Park. Selling for land value. Can be sold as a package deal. We have 3 homes: 110 Gregory, MLS number 20,465,325, and 116 Darrell, MLS number 20,810,654, to be sold as a package deal, or will sell individually. Sold as is. No owner financing.